Reciting Surah An-Nisa, the women, the fourth chapter of the Holy Qur'an, carries deep spiritual, moral, and practical value for every believer. While there are no specific hadiths that mention particular rewards tied to this surah alone, its verses are filled with timeless guidance that shapes faith, family, and community life. Every letter recited from the Book of Allah brings reward. As the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said, "Whoever recites a letter from the Book of Allah will receive one good deed, and each good deed is multiplied by 10. Reciting Surah An-Nisa, with its 176 verses, brings immense blessings. It strengthens your connection with Allah, purifies the heart, and brings peace to the soul when recited with sincerity and correct pronunciation. This surah gives clear instructions on how to live justly within our families and communities. It teaches about marriage, inheritance, and the rights of women and orphans. When we reflect on these verses, we learn our responsibilities toward family members, relatives, and the needy, helping us build a society based on fairness and compassion. Surah An-Nisa calls us to live with justice and integrity. It reminds us, stand firm for justice, even if it is against yourselves. Its verses teach fairness in dealing with women and orphans, warn against hypocrisy, and inspire compassion and sincerity in faith. Reciting the Qur'an is a shield for the believer. Surah An-Nisa, like all parts of the Qur'an, brings spiritual protection and divine blessings. It fills your home with barakah, peace, light, and mercy when recited regularly. This chapter also reminds us of the importance of unity and obedience. It teaches us to follow Allah, His Messenger, peace be upon him, and the rightful leaders of our community. Through its message, believers are encouraged to resolve conflicts and stay united under the banner of Islam. Every verse of Surah An-Nisa invites us to reflect deeply, to check our intentions, our justice, and our sincerity. It reminds us of accountability before Allah and teaches us lessons from the struggles of earlier communities, helping us grow in patience and steadfastness. The Prophet ﷺ taught that the Qur'an will intercede for its reciters on the Day of Judgment. By reciting Surah An-Nisa regularly, you invite that intercession, a voice that will plead for you before Allah, insha'Allah. This surah is not just for reflection, it's a guide for action. It provides divine direction on matters like inheritance, marriage, justice, and equality. It promotes the fair treatment of women and calls for compassion toward the weak, lessons that remain essential in every era. Remember, there's no specific hadith promising unique worldly benefits for reciting this surah, but its true power lies in understanding and living by it. So recite it with sincerity, learn its meanings, and let its guidance shape your life. May Allah make us among those who recite, understand, and act upon His words. Ameen.